Hi there, my name is Rich Dickey, and I'm a financial planner who resides in Chicago, Illinois. I would love to reach out to you and talk about any topics that you might be of interest in. I offer a no obligation Zoom call to talk about subjects that we may not, have the most information about, but I promise you I'll be transparent. But I'd like to be able to get to know you and cover some of these financial topics that we never talked about with our parents. We definitely never heard about them in high school. And I am a testament to going to the University of Iowa, getting a degree in business administration and finance. And a lot of these topics, I had no idea what I was doing when I got out of college. And I had to learn through the school of hard knocks. Using my experience and the licenses I now hold in financial planning, we can talk about any topic you'd like to discuss. We could do a short Zoom call, get to know each other. You can ask me a few questions about any topics on the top of your mind. Maybe you want to talk about Social Security. Very popular topic right now. A lot of questions about when should I take it? Age 62, maybe 65, 67, 70. You should know that it doesn't pay to go longer than 70, so obviously you wouldn't want to take it at 74. But there are a lot of questions about when to take it between age 62 and age 70. How about my estate planning? How about my college funding? How do I preserve my wealth? Through life insurance, health insurance. How do I preserve my wealth through these economic times with high inflation and a stock market that is like a roller coaster? The last few years have taught us one thing. Money goes up and down, and sometimes it can go down a lot. So how do we avoid the high fees from the brokerage firms? What are some of our options on how to preserve our wealth? Should I do covered calls and cash secured puts? Obviously, I have a lot of videos out there about that. You can see a lot of the topics on my YouTube channel. Pick whichever subjects you may be interested in. Let me know that you kind of like what you're starting to hear and you want to build a relationship with me. As I said, there's no obligation. You won't be charged anything until you've signed up as a client, and we'll do that the proper way through my brokerage firm. And if you like what you're hearing, if you'd like to know more about it, just drop me in tradingwithrich@yahoo.com. Again, my email is tradingwithrich, all one word, @yahoo.com. Now, you can also reach out and look at my LinkedIn profile. It's under my name, Richard Dickey, and you can see all the different places that I've worked and all the positions I've had, which were very high in the organization. 4 different times I reported to CEOs. But the thing I'm most proud about in my LinkedIn are all the endorsements and recommendations that I got from employees who worked for me, people who worked with me, and people who were my supervisors at the time. You can see that I went through the school of hard knocks, have a lot of experience, made a lot of mistakes along the way, but I can share all that with you through a short conversation on our initial call, or we can sign you up as a client and I can help you meet your financial goals, help you get to financial freedom, maybe show you how to do some covered calls and rent your stocks out if you don't want to do that, or maybe you want to do a hybrid of it. Maybe you go into an index fund or some type of annuity where you don't lose any principal. I can explain how that works. Those are kind of new programs that weren't available 5 years ago, or the fees were so super high that they weren't available to the normal guy. So once again, reach out to me. Let me know if you'd like to have a Zoom call. Let me know if you just want to talk a few sentences back and forth on email. It doesn't matter to me. I'm here for you. I want to help you reach financial freedom, and I want you to have the peace of mind knowing every evening that you've got a plan and you're on your way to a very good future. So I will see you on future videos. Please subscribe to my channel and get notifications about when future videos pop up. But I put out topics about different things that my subscribers have asked me about, and sometimes if I get a lot of the same question, I'll go ahead and make a video about it. So again, Trading with Rich at yahoo.com. I hope to hear from you. See you on the next video.